Yep, so first stop, we gotta mail off some stuff, then we're gonna go to the store. Alright, what's up, Peanut Breath? We back. We went to the store, dropped off package at UPS. Then we went to another store, got distilled water, a clear hose, coolant, already had the scissors, and the oil pan. What are we using that for? Well, good question. We're using that because today we freshened up the insides of the bike, the Yamaha, which we just got started last episode, day 2 of quarantine. This is currently day 3 of quarantine for myself anyways. So today we're going to be, like I said, freshening up the insides of the motorcycle by doing a coolant flush. So without further ado, let's get into the video. All right, first thing we're doing is taking the seat off, which is already loose. Everything is already loose pretty much. So gotta take the tank off. So let me just lift that up. I got this little towing strap to hold it in place so I don't have to take it all the way off. Reason why we're doing that, because we want to get down here to the coolant reservoir, which is right here, and empty. Yeah, so look at that, it's empty. So good thing we're doing this. All right, so there's the cap right here, this jigamarig here. So actually gonna get in there, loosen this up, this little screw. I don't know if this comes out all the way or not. There it is. Okay, so now that we got that out the way, we're gonna need this and this. All right, so what you have to do is actually remove the cap first, then you can take this off. Alrighty, there you go. That came out actually pretty fast. All right, so now that that's done draining, we go put this plug back in there, the screw it back in there. I'm gonna fill it up with distilled water and let it run for a second. Make sure it's tight. All right, I filled it up. As you can see, it's full all the way to the top right there. Then over here, filled up the reservoir, so that's full all the way up to the top. Let's go ahead and put the cap back on. Make sure it's tight. Grab that one. Get this bad boy back on. All right, so put the tank down. Let's go ahead and start her up real quick. All right, look like we out of gas, bucko. Go ahead and put some in real quick. That should do it. minute just to let it get through the system. All right, I'm gonna stand over here so I don't get poisoning, but we're just gonna let that run for like a minute, maybe a minute and a half, nothing major, just to let it get through the system, and then flood it out and then replace it with a good coolant. Go ahead and release the pressure. Remember I said a minute or two. As that minute was going, it was getting hot, so please don't run it no longer than that, because you will burn yourself. Go ahead, sit that right there. Lift this tank up again. Get our handy dandy strap. Strap that boy right there. There we go. And we can get to the reservoir. As you can see, it's not clear no more. It's a little bit of different color, as you can see. A little bit of a different color. Look, close to green. All right, so you know the drill. Get your tube, loosen it up. Make sure you got the oil pan, it might shoot out, so put it like right there. There we go. Look at that boy. Try to get this junk off fast. That boy pissing off. Slow down, son. That boy had to take a leak. But as you can see, it's like light green, which is good. I mean, it pretty much is clearing everything out. Go ahead and let that completely drain. So what I like to do is lean the bike a little bit. Try to get all of it out. Okay, so, all right, so now we're gonna make a little suction type of device. So get your hose, clear hose, kind of bend it. So, you know, be a little bit flexible, get in where you need to get. You can take any little cap. I got this cap. This is literally off of a bottle of soap. Just stick it in here, press it down, get it all the way down on there, just like so. Take the other hand, put it in the reservoir, pump this until the water comes out. As you can see, it's actually working. You gotta pump it like crazy. Well, let this arm work out for you. You're gonna be broke as hell after this. Alright, slowing up, so we running all the water in the reservoir. Alright, now that we got that clean, grab antifreeze, crack it open, and pour it in. As you can see, I made a mistake, right? Yep, forgot to put the drain plug back in. Let's not forget to do that, because we're just wasting antifreeze. That's pretty much full. Reservoir, but as you can see, always check the side of your bike, and there, right there, lies the reservoir, which marks the low and the full. So we're gonna try to get it to the full, of course. So let's do it. It's a little bit past full, so I'm gonna pump some out. All right, so now we're about to start it and top it off as it's running. Put the cap on there. I couldn't show you because it took me to use two hands to get that safety screw back on there. So there you go. As you can see, the reservoir is full. But as of right now, man, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna let the bike idle, let it get up to temperature, let the good fluid get to circulating through there, then we should be good. But hey, that's day 3 for you guys, man. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for watching me. Hopefully you learned something from the video, and you can do this to your bike. Told you, I always do it myself. Go ahead, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'm gonna see you next video. Peace.